Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about brand new light. Have you ever watched the night give way to dawn or the day give way to evening? Oh, there is something beautiful, something special, something even awe-inspiring about being outside and watching the subtle changes occur at dawn or dusk. Man, in the early morning, you'll notice the sounds start to change as birds and other animals start to stir and speak. And the light of dawn will slowly spill over the landscape, cascading soft light into all the shadows until finally light fully floods in. Oh, there is something special about watching dawn break in through the night, day after day. Listen to today's verse in 1 John 2:8. Here's what it says. He says, "Yet I am writing you a new command. Its truth is seen in him and in you, because the darkness is passing and the true light is already shining." 1 John is talking about how Jesus, the Savior, has already come to earth. Remember, he was fully God, fully man, and he left the perfection of heaven and he entered into the brokenness of earth. He lived and he grew and he walked and he taught and he lived life here perfectly on earth, even in the midst of all of our real struggles and challenges. He willingly went to the cross and he laid down his life for you and for me and for our neighbor. And as he rose from the dead on the third day, he conquered sin and shame and death. And the light of his life, it pushed back the darkness, and the darkness cannot overcome his light. He now extends forgiveness and restoration and grace and adoption and so much more to every person who believes in faith and receives this free gift towards simply turning towards Christ and his ways with his help. So what does that mean for you and I today? Remember, when the darkness seems thick, when the darkness of life seems endless, when the darkness of life is bullying and it's raging and it's growing, remember, there is a new truth because of Jesus. The darkness, it is passing, and the true light of Jesus is already shining. Already shining. So two more things. 1 John 1:5 tells us that God himself is the light. And then John 1:5 tells us that the light shines in the darkness and the darkness has not and cannot overcome it. Here's the point. God is stronger than the dark. The light of God is already shining and darkness is passing. So today, remember that the light is here and the light of Christ is breaking in and the light of Christ is strong. So whenever you find yourself in a moment, look to the light because Christ is there. We'll see you next time.